Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have legitimate authority to change screen time settings. This prevents accidental lockouts or privacy breaches. Once confirmed, gather the Apple ID credentials tied to the device passcode, and any recent backup details you might need. Make sure the device is connected to Wi-Fi and charged above 20% so the process won't interrupt. These preparatory steps save time and avoid data loss when you proceed to recover or reset the screen time passcode. Next, follow official recovery routes rather than guessing. If the Apple ID used for screen time is known, go to Settings right arrow Screen Time and select Change or Reset Passcode using that Apple ID. This verifies identity and restores access. If the device is in a family sharing group, ask the family manager to remove or reset the passcode for you. If those routes fail, prepare for account recovery with Apple support or a system restore that preserves backups. Both protect data integrity while restoring control. Finally, complete the authorized reset and immediately verify screen time access to ensure settings behave as expected. Then set a new passcode you can remember or store in a secure manager. If anything goes wrong, you're still locked out or credentials aren't accepted, contact Apple support and have proof of ownership ready. They guide account recovery. As a last resort, restore from a backup made before locking or set the device up as new, making sure future passcodes are documented securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.